What do you think about it, Chompers? Huh? Whew. Look here. I'm gonna throw him some fish. That right there is a good German carp. Look at there. Is that some good stuff? Huh? Huh? Is that some good stuff? But get your butt back. Says that's his fish. That right there is what we feed them. The looter bottom. They love fish. And you see how fat that hog is? Can't tell me fish ain't good for them. Big, wide, big, pretty boy. What do you think about it, Chompers? You like that fish? Huh? He just rips that thing right open and get right on up in them fish. What do you think about that? Nothing to it. What them good tusks is good for. Getting on up in there. Eating the good part first, eating that old tenderloin. Alright, I got fish to skin. Chompers, you enjoy.